Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is April 15th and as you can see, the garlic is starting to come up. We have quite a few along this row that are all coming up. Okay, I'm also going to show you another area where I planted, which was in my front flower bed. You'll see how they're doing. Okay, here's my front flower bed, and as you can see, the garlic here, they're all shooting up. And these are actually a bit bigger than the ones in my main garden. I planted them in 2 rows in a staggered fashion. So as you can see, they're staggered. This area. So altogether I grew 300 garlic bulbs last fall, and so far it seemed like all have sprouted. Okay, so I'll keep you posted as these garlic grow. I think I will be giving it some nitrogen fertilizer, because right now is a good time to fertilize it as it's growing and it's starting to form its bulbs. Okay, so stay tuned to see what's happening with this garlic. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time.